here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me. So I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay guys, so we're going to jump right into this video like we always do. You guys, this time I had actually started blow drying my hair on soaking wet hair. Like, it was so hard for me to say that, but actually I was quite shocked, and I was also nervous to blow dry my hair on soaking wet hair, but I actually got it done. You guys might hear my son in the background a couple of times during this voiceover, but you guys, we're gonna keep going. You know, mom life, gotta do what I gotta do. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair. I put my hair in 4 sections. If you guys don't know, I am actually suffering from postpartum and post-COVID shedding. So yes, you heard me right. Just a double whammy. I had lost all of my edges due to postpartum shedding, and then and the nape of my head, and then I also lost 45% of the density of my hair due to COVID. So I had COVID. 3 months later, all of my hair came out, like 45% of the density came out. So now I am able to wash my hair, put my hair in only 4 sections, and my hair dries quite quickly now. So I actually have to see if I'm still low porosity, but as of right now, I feel like I'm still low porosity, but you know, I'm still working and testing and doing different things with my hair. So I am doing something different once again, you guys. I am actually blow drying my hair on soaking wet hair. I did have my towel on my head for about like 45 minutes. I also only put oil, my DIY oil, on my hair because I wanted to trim my hair, and you guys will see in the next video how I trimmed my ends. But I didn't want my hair to have a lot of shea butter on my hair. If you've been here for a long time, you guys know I pack my hair with shea butter before I blow dry it. But this time I literally just used my DIY oil, the oil that I always use in that little black or brown container. So you guys, I first take my Conair air dry blow dryer and blow dry the braids of my hair, and I try to get my hair as dry as possible, like in the braid first, and then I take the braid down and then hold my hair taut at the bottom, and then I work my way up through the braid. And after that, you guys, I'm laughing at my son, but after that, I go in with my paddle brush and then do the chasing method. So my method is still the same way all the way through, but literally it only took me 30 minutes to blow dry my hair because the density is so much different. Like, I have never blow dried my hair this fast. And you guys are probably wondering, like, why did you blow dry your hair? I truly wanted to see if I needed to cut off like several inches of my hair. Like, I literally thought I was gonna have to probably cut off like 10 inches of my hair due to the damage, but I was quite surprised, and you guys will see at the end of the video. But as of right now, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the process. Once again, what I'm gonna do is blow dry my braid to try to get my braid as dry as possible, and then I will take my braid down, hold the end of my hair so that I don't get my hair tangled, and then I will blow dry that section holding the end of my hair, and then continue with blow drying my hair with the paddle brush, and then that's what I'm gonna do with all 4 of my braids. So you guys, once again, you're gonna hear my son maybe a couple of times, but you guys know I gotta do what I have to do. So you guys enjoy the music, and I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I really wanted to jump in here yet again because I told you I was going to leave, but then I'm not leaving. But I wanted to show you guys a before picture of what my hair looked about 7 months ago before I had got the virus. So I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like. This is the picture 7 months ago, and you guys see how my hair was completely uneven, and there was a lot of, like, you guys see it. I mean, the picture's right there. I don't need to say any more words, but just showing you guys that you will get great value here on my channel. I will show you guys how to truly grow your hair. And guys, this is 2020 of the end of March. This is what my hair is looking like, and you guys see I could pull all of my hair all the way down. So you guys, if you stick with me, you're gonna actually grow your hair, and it's no games here. So stay tuned. If I didn't say so before, you guys, the blow dryer is on a low heat, or the lowest setting of heat, and is on high air. So I'm really safe. I'm not getting any heat damage. I do not like to blow dry my hair on the hottest temperature because that's just asking for trouble, and I already have problems with my hair. And I don't need heat damage. Like, that it will not be a third thing that will be wrong with my hair. So yeah, it's on the highest blow setting, but it's on the lowest heat setting. Okay guys, so I am completely done blow drying my hair, and like I said, it only took me 30 minutes to blow dry my hair, you guys. I did not have to cut off several inches of my hair. What I did notice is probably just normal wear and tear. I need to cut off maybe a good inch, maybe 2 inches, but we are going to reach that booty crack length hair, you guys. Look how full my hair is. Like, look how long it's gotten, and I was quite surprised. If you guys watched my last blow drying video, you guys seen that there was a huge discrepancy of hair. Like, my hair was just, it was tripping. Like, the back of it was short. It was truly uneven the last time I blow dried my hair. Now I can't talk. But yeah, when I blow dried my hair, it was like, it was so uneven. But like I said, I think I have about like 2 inches of hair to cut off of the back, you guys. I'm gonna give you a length check a little later, maybe in a couple of more months. But you guys, I was so shocked at how thick my hair is at the scalp, which is letting me know that my density is coming back, but also how long my hair is getting. Like, I cut quite a few inches off of my hair when I was pregnant because I was just sick of the length, and it was just hard to do. But you guys, I was just checking my hair, kind of getting a little thumbnails here and there. But you guys, I am quite happy with the length of my hair. I do want to try to work on growing the bottom of my hair a little bit more, but that's going to be a completely different video. So you guys, I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, leave comments down below. And yeah, you guys, this was a nice check-in, and I was so happy that I didn't have to cut, or I don't have to cut off like 10 inches of my hair. And blow drying your hair really helps you see the damage and also what you need to keep and don't need to keep when you are natural. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling on this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And once again, leave comments down below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.